Mine is an unusual situation because I'm not naturally a polarizing or controversial person, and what I sing about is actually pretty.
I'm dreaming black and white. Lean forward and you close your eyes. Last fight, flooding. Last words before you went under.
What I sing about is actually.
Seems like she found what she wants, kept it locked tight down in the vault. Had the cake washed down with sea salt. I only saw half, proud with resolve. She finally saw what she never saw before. Baseline like a snake, got on a roll. Mixed opinions, food of an omnivore. All the gotten close fall like dominoes. But harder than that, metaphorically, she will put your heart in a cast. But the heart attack of true sound, love gave me a newfound trust. And only I can read it. She decides the eyes it's reaching. I know it's me, a step to stand. Revamp Atlanta, a second chance.
I'm dreaming black and white.
Black and white.
Lean forward and you close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Last fight,
Last one.
flooding.
Fuck 'em.
Last words before you went under again.
She can't see how to approach it. Past leaves a future focus. Her brain is pooched and roasted. In pain, she truly knows it. So she walked up, feeling imposing. Like imposters, feeling emotion, nervous. Started small talk, even though we all know the target's all lost. A hike to the top just to march and fall off. But not her, she gets what she wants. She gets full bars, your calls drop. She's baller, you're left in the swamp. It's hard to say when she walked away. She went back to a common place. Left the rest to contemplate with lots of space to get off her case.
I'm dreaming black and white.
Black and white.
Lean forward and you close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Last fight,
Last one.
flooding.
Fuck 'em.
Last words before you went under again.
And she found love again, and she was the type just to rub it in. Let all know for the summer's end. Sorry clothes turned calm instead. And what's up with that? She said, he said, coming back is the type of strides a dying coward do. Sour truth, drinking Diet Mountain Dew. I said, I just wanna die in peace. With you beside me, please. Happiness is my belief, but I can't breathe and I'm in need. And time will teach all the different things that I could be. But I ain't happy, finally you found love, but I wish that guy was me.
I'm dreaming black and white.
Black and white.
Lean forward and you close your eyes.
Close your eyes.
Last fight,
Last one.
flooding.
Fuck 'em.
Last words before you went under.
Try to
Break your house beat. Break your house beat. Break your house beat. Break your house beat.
try to
Try to prove.
try to prove. Try to prove. Try to
Break your house beat. Break your house beat.
try to prove. Try to prove. They say go slow, I wanna go fast. Whether solo or on a collab, till the notes last past where my soul has. But don't quote that, y'all already know that. And I'm chasing nothing but nostalgia. First love can be crushing when you lost one. Hurts a bunch, but the hurt within the long run is what constructs ya, it's what can calm ya. Speaking of karma, it's a good idea, but it's clear it's for putting fear into people who believe it. Like me once, you realize reality when life seems rough. Hi, my name is Revamp, pipe dream stuff. Living out the fantasy that might be much. I might seem crushed, fuck all of you. Come on through the glass, try and follow through. Cause I've tried and proved. Comes to the mind, mind runs loose. Feeling lifeless, dried up fruit. But my time ain't up, cause I love to. Tried and proved. Comes to the mind, mind runs loose. Feeling lifeless, dried up fruit, but my time ain't up, cause I love to. And I'm just trying to figure out what. Been without tons, cause I didn't doubt much. And our lives never been about touch, it has been about to figure out, forget about us. Cliched, but the deep shit sticks. Call me shallow, see how deep it gets. Defeat the purpose if you preach your words, and never give a turn to those who see you tick. Gave you time, and I ain't here to plagiarize or say it's fine to chase a lie, but it's all good if you give love to those who give love. Don't fall, pick up, you may survive. I try, ain't one to outrun the cops and crash, and I won't try and launder cash at laundromats. My almanac, sunny on the bicycle, no Pontiacs, but gotta pass everyone with only 24. I'm an insomniac. Cause I tried and proved, comes to the mind, mind runs loose. Feeling lifeless, dried up fruit, but my time ain't up, cause I love to. Tried and proved, comes to the mind, mind runs loose. Feeling lifeless, dried up fruit, but my time ain't up, cause I love to. I wanna keep cool at my own pace, yo. We got a deep pool, but I don't race flow. Pick my times, I wanna be the best. Been looking for the stairs, now I see the steps, huh? Still ain't making even ends. Eating off crumbs from a piece of bread seems to be a stretch to see the end. On the podium, anywhere, leave ahead. Don't put me on the pedestal, you're skeptical, cause you must have expected more. But my repertoire's yet to get explored. Nevermore, you have slept on gold, and it's still missing the biggest envisioned. Intrinsically written addition, I'm fitting with an uplifting addition to rip it till red in and 6 of the grid are forbidden. Cause I tried and proved, comes to the mind, mind runs loose. Feeling lifeless, dried up fruit, but my time ain't up, cause I love to. Tried and proved, comes to the mind, mind runs loose. Feeling lifeless, dried up fruit, but my time ain't up, cause I love to. Tried and proved, comes to the mind, mind runs loose. Feeling lifeless, dried up fruit, but my time ain't up, cause I love to. I mean business, no Benjamins, give me a second in. Listen, presenting is revamping relevance to the delicate issue in development, embellishing. I get down to work like beavers in the elements. If you got a bucket list, then you need to write it down. Your goals probably ain't even worth shit. So, forget them all, you deserve it, it's perfect. You've completed all your goals, go dig a dirt ditch. Yo, I guess that's kinda cold. Binder clothes, cried before, so I hate driving home. But when I get there, then back to the drawing board. Mad scientist with a pen, that's a prophet sword. So many battles with myself that I fought before. More than any angry adult male rhinoceros. Us, and I lost before. Us, that's a common term, tossed around here and there. This is BI, not a church, it's 9 to 5, then 5 to 9, then 9 to 12. Sleep back to work, till my back don't work, or my rhymes supply some kind of wealth, and I crack the surf. If I could die and still inspire, I'd feel I built an empire, not in business for a couple campfires. Do I need to emphasize? Truth is in our ledger piles. Humans need their exercise. The booth is where I enterprise. Some terrorize, caught in their paradigm. Still buried alive, but they would never spare their lives. Don't get me wrong, but I ain't here to spare a dime. I'm big picture, but still a little camera shy. But in the camera's eye, I should probably wear a tie. Be a lawyer or something and tear inside. But fuck that, I want a clean living with no restrictions, cause I mean business, bitches. Truthfully, it seems there is no use to me. Brutally, I'm just chasing what used to be. Usefully, I've wasted all my energy. Made more friends than enemies, but take it as a recipe. But I keep on, you could call it faithfully. Cause I've been robbed, she is far away from me. All is well, I act like, call it help. Cause I guess that's how the cards are dealt. And I can't change it, it's a damn shame. And I don't understand why Lana's into man breaking. It's a fair statement that I can't face it. I can't Mickey Mouse around with my Fantasia. Live in damnation and stop what I start. I'm sorry if that chops us apart, cause I follow my heart. Drop it in tunes and accept what you want, but I'm wanting the truth, girl.
All I want is to feel good. All I want is to feel good. All I want is to feel good.
But what does that mean? I'm still in the dark, looking for blanks just to fill them with art. In the backseat when I should be navigating. Bet I'm took when taps are made with drills to the heart. Don't need affirmation to attach a meaning. This is amalgamations of what matters needing. Third person, like he really has to beat it. Smashed to pieces, cadaver steed or crafty demon. And I'm past allegiance and infatuation. Way past relief and can't seem to have some patience. Say that I am cursed with waiting for the verdict to surface. Dug a moat from sadly pacing. Now there's alligators blocking out the outside, but talking about the doubts I softly wrote the outline. There's no animation, just a little bit of love still from her, so I'm giving it a shot.
All I want is to feel good. All I want is to feel good. All I want is to feel good. To feel good. All I want is to feel good. All I want is to feel good. You know?
Yeah, Lana, I know. I thought it's obvious I'm damaged and slow. But will you lead till my soul will bleed? And do you feed off my only needs? Sorry I preach, but I can't let go. It's my dance to try, can't imply and impose. My chance to dive and I'll die, stand or float. I'm cramming hope to strive, Lana, don't beelined it. Felt like she's being lied to. Be fighting foes would only see bias. The weather's nice, but it still feels minus. She was already so cold when she realized it. So I think that this is how it has to be. But even living lavishly without her isn't happily. Sobbing to the point where making steps haunts me. Then I got a message: save your breath, call me.
All I want is to feel good. 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 You know?
I never said anything just to say it or just to rhyme over sugary pop songs. Like, I really care about documenting my life in a musical fashion. And so I think the people who like me are actually artists.
Elvis is my daddy, Aaron is my mother, Jesus is my bestest friend. We don't need nobody, we got each other, at least I pretend. I'm on fire, baby, I'm on fire. I'm on fire, baby, I'm on
People who
fire.
like me are actually artists.
Whitman is my daddy, Monica's my mother, diamonds are my bestest friend. Heaven is my baby, suicide's a father, why couldn't you say that? I'm on fire, baby, I'm on fire. I'm on fire, baby, I'm on
People who
fire.
like me are actually artists.
Now that she's obtainable, I'm truly in loss. Got the number arranged but can't hit call. Can't maintain and cope, nah, it's wrong. Got the prize but I feel like I've been shit on. And I'm pissed off, what was she doing? When I was waiting, she was fucking and screwing. When I was patient, she was loving and bruising other hearts. I see the picture that the puzzle's producing. And to be honest, I can't really handle it. Tears flooded the room up to the candle wick. And right before I could have doused the flame, she convinced me to have no doubt she changed.
Elvis is my daddy, Aaron is my mother, Jesus is my bestest friend. We don't need nobody, we got each other, at least I pretend. I'm on fire, baby, I'm on fire. I'm on fire, baby, I'm on fire.
Seemed good and great, each piece was put in place. Seeds cultivated to culminate. But I should have paid more attention, took the bait when I saw the hook for days, and I thought I could have changed. Threw it all in flames, now I got a ball and chain. Assume it's all okay, but every day I contemplate on some solid ground, but I ain't calming down, not right now. She's gonna wanna walk away.